I'm in the Everglades in South Florida. Took a quick backpacking trip, just hiked in 5 miles and slept on the ground here in the Everglades. I took a similar trip about 40 years ago, and one of the things that surprised me about that um, on that trip was how rocky the Everglades was. Um, and I'm going to show them walk over here, and you can see all the rocks behind me. This whole area. You think of the Everglades, and you think of mud and muck and dirt and grass and water, and it's all that. But on the bottom, the basis of the whole Everglades is this rock that's just covering all of South Florida. It's limestone. And the scientists tell us 540 million years ago, this used to be an ocean bottom. And settlement would go to the bottom of the ocean, shells and dead fish and all kinds of stuff would go to the bottom of the ocean, and it formed sedimentary rock of limestone. And limestone is a very porous rock. And the natural flow of water in the Everglades was from central Florida, Orlando and that area, into the Lake Okeechobee, overflows and come into South Florida. Marjorie Stoneman Douglas wrote a great book about 1948 about the Everglades, and she was warning about the destruction of the Everglades and the loss of the flow of water. And she called the book The Everglades River of Grass. So this whole vast grassy area is one big river with water flowing out to the Gulf of Mexico from Lake Okeechobee and south. Now, humans have done a great effort to try to destroy that water flow. They changed the track of the Kissimmee River. Much of the land has been drained and made into agricultural land. Fortunately, there are now efforts to try to restore this natural flow of water, which brings life, by the way, to all those condos on Miami Beach are dependent on water in the Everglades going into that vast reservoir aquifer down below.